Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set dark theme on Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, what you need to do is that just move on to setting. From here you can scroll down to display and brightness. You just click on the display and brightness. After you have been moved on display and brightness, you are going to find the dark theme. So click on dark theme. And if you want to set dark theme on your mobile phone, here is the dark theme option. It says light theme and the dark theme. Okay, and this is the icon for the light theme and the dark theme. So if you want to set dark theme, just click on dark theme, and here the dark will be applied successfully on your mobile phone. And if you want to set light theme, you just click on light theme, this first option, and here the light theme will be set. Okay, you can apply like this by this icon. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.